So hello and welcome guys to my YouTube channel Rahul FX. So today we'll be talking about the three pairs that are likely to be trading in the next week. So before we start, I would like to wish you guys Happy New Year, and I hope everyone, whichever whoever is watching this, your trading goals may get fulfilled this year. So yes, let's just jump into the video. As you can see, the first pair I would like to be trading is AUDNZD. So as you know that I sit on Sunday and I identify the market structure in each pairs. So if let's say, well, while I am identifying market structure, if the first, let's say in AUD pair, let's say the first three pairs I like to trade, then I will not check out all these pairs. I follow the rule that whichever market structure I'm likely to be trading this week, I will not look at other pairs. So yes. So the first pair is AUDNZD. So I start my analysis in 1 week. So if you can see the 1 week time frame, the market is currently in a bullish. If you just see from here, it is bullish trade. But if you see from here, it is a bearish trade. So I will not like to see from here because as you can see, this is 2022. So mostly try to go back only 1 year from whenever you're seeing. So yes, as you can see, the market is creating new higher lows. As you can see, this is a higher low. This was the higher low created on 2024 February. This was the higher low that created in September. Then this was the higher low that was created on December. So now most likely there will be a higher low created over here and the market will push forward, try to break this high, but it will take most likely around 6 to 7 months. I think so it will take. So I'm not trading that long. I will just take a trade on 15-minute time frame. Now let's jump into the lower time frame. And if you want a detailed explanation of my strategy, how I became, like, I'm not in a lot of profit, but I'm not a loss making trader. In the past 6 months I have been trading, I am not in loss. I can say that much. But if you want my detailed, I will make at least 20-25 minutes detailed video on how I trade, exact way, how I identify market structure, how I entry, live example. Then you comment down below. I will bring a video on that also. Okay. So the one thing I can say that in the right moment, I stopped trading ICT, SMC, all that complicated stuff. And in the right moment, I started trading price action. So before I didn't knew that the way I was trading was called price action. Then I saw from few other people which were trading same way that I was trading, that they were saying price action. So I just said price action only. So as you can see, the daily time frame, if you just look at it from the without any analysis, you can see that the market was creating lower low, that means lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then after this point, the market, as the previous lower high gets broken, that means it's a change of character and the market becomes bullish. So as you can see, this was the new higher high, higher low. Now if you go, this is the recent higher high, this is the higher low, this is the higher low. You can take this also, this also. Then once this got broken, this become the lower high, this become the lower low. So once this part got broken, as you can see, this is a daily time frame. That's why I am taking each market structure. If this was the 4 hour time frame, I would take directly this one. This would not be valid. But as it is the daily time frame, we have to take this in action. So once this gets broken, the market becomes bullish as it creates a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. As you can see, this I don't think so. It had not closed above this, but still it is in a bullish time frame. So now, if you want to make an entry over here, the only possible entry would be if you go to the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, 15-minute time frame, it is not quite exactly following a single trend, As you can see, if you trade support and resistance, this will be a sell trade. But for me, this is a buy trade. As you can see, I have drawn the arrows. So if the market, the now the how the market has to react is the market has to close above this high. After it closed above this high, it will take a support from here. Then I will take an entry on the 15-minute time frame after the engulfing candle. Okay, this is the first, and I will be targeting, at least I will be, whenever I put my target, I put my target in 4 hour time frame. So I target at least this high I will target if I'm trading in the 15-minute time frame. So I'll just show you the entry possibilities. So this might be not working. As you can see, the light is not working in my favor this year, this light, but not working properly, like something wrong with the electricity and all that. Only this light is working, so I'll probably get it fixed. So if you want to take an entry, you have to go to the 15-minute time frame. This is not a financial advice. You are not, like, I am not a 100% all of my trades are profitable trades, but this is my simple strategy. I have not detailed explained it, but if you want to take an entry, the entry would be here. After it closes over here, after it gives the engulfing candle, stop loss will be below this point, and I would likely to be targeting at least 1v 10th. I'm supposed to get at least 1v 1 is to 10. If you can see, that is also too less. If you target the full, that is minimum of 1 to 26. But we don't, I will not be taking 1 to 26. You can exit your trade over here also. This is also fine. 1 is to 4. This is the perfect trade which I'll be looking. So this is the first pair, AUDNZD. I will not be going in exact detail because the video will become long. So now let's go on to the next pair. So next pair is AUDJPY. So AUDJPY, if you go to the daily time frame, as you can see, the market is in a bearish trend. So if you consider this lower low, lower high, lower low, it broke over this, then it becomes a higher high. So first I started from the weekly time frame. If you can see the weekly time frame, the market is creating a head and shoulder pattern. So how do you identify head and shoulder pattern? So you go to here and you see the head and shoulder pattern. So now you have to mark it like this. This is the left. This overall, this full area is called the head. You just take the top point head, and this is the right shoulder. So now the trading opportunity, what is happened is after it closes below this, let's go on to the lower time frame. So the only way I will likely to be take a trade is once the market closes below this point. You can see this point. I need the market at least to come to this point. After it comes to this point, then it can take a rejection from here. After the engulfing candle, I will take a sell entry from here. It is same as the previous. The entry would be here. After the engulfing candle, stop loss will be here. This is a big stop loss. So yes, we will be targeting also. At least I will target till here is the minimum. So this is also a 1 is to 4 trade. The main thing to notice is this, as you can see, is a full, like, what to say, like full clustered up zone. Like, as you can see, the market is moving sideways full here. So in order to avoid all of this, wait for the market to close below this, then only we can hope to take a trade. But what happens if the market closes above this previous point? As you can see, if the market just starts rising and touches this point, then the sell trade is no longer valid. If it touches somewhere here, then there will be another point of interest in which I would like to take a trade by next week. But as of this week, if it doesn't do what I have planned here, then I will not likely to be taking that trade here. So this was the second pair. Now let's go on to the third pair, that is GBPUSD. So GBPUSD also, it is a simple sell trade. If you go on to the so now one thing I would like to say you is, if you go to the Forex sentiment, you can find out how to like sort out most retail trader. If you trade on higher time frame, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, then this will be very useful to you. Go to my FX book, and as you can see, all the sentiments you can see. So what you have to do is this, how this is works is like, as you can see, USD CAD, not there's not a USD CAD. Let's take GBPUSD you are trading. So as you can see, 73% of GU traders are in long. Now if you click GBPUSD, I'll show you. Wait. So if you can see, the most of the orders are in buy. 73%, 8,950 lots are in buy, but the market is falling. So most people, what they try to do is they try to catch the reversal. Okay, so what I have learned is, never take a reversal trade. Try to always follow the trend. As you can see here, maximum orders are of buy. As you can see, huge number of orders are in buy. And if you see here also, if you daily, let's go to daily. As you can see, the people started buying from when? Like the market is falling and the buying orders are creating again. Like people are trying to short over here. Like everyone thinks like this is the, from here it will return. Then some people are buying from here. Some people now will buy from here. Until and unless the market creates a proper structure to the upside, never take a buy trade. Like never try to take a reversal trade. Okay. So always try to follow the trend. You don't know how much the market can come down. Like the market can fall. It can fall till how much ever it wants. Like let the market do what it wants. Okay. So this is the thing that I've learned is not to follow the crowd. See, we traders, we are already not following the crowd. Like maximum people are going in job. Like people are taking the safe route. But once we are taking the hard route, then in the people that they are taking the hard route, there is also a 1% club. Like why 95% traders lose money? It is because our brain thinks of like opportunities to create when there is no opportunity. Like if there is no trade, you will see guys taking a trade, 3, 4 trades a day, 5, 6 trades a day, and they are asking why they are not profitable. So I limit myself to at least 2 to 3. I like hardly I take 2 to 3 trades a week. Like in whole of December, I took around 3 or 4 trades. In whole of October, I took 1 or 2 trades. So try to limit yourself to minimum of trade so that your trade accuracy jumps a little bit higher, and you take only the trades that like your strategy is working on that. Like don't just jump on any trade or any reversal or follow any signal group. Like maximum most people, like previous videos I have uploaded, many people are asking me, bro, can you give me signals? I can show you my Instagram. Like some people are asking for signals, and some people are saying, bro, can you help me clear a funded account? Like, if you want to do this for long term, like 10, 15 years, then even if I help you to clear one funded account, then you're not going to suddenly become rich by that. So try to learn a strategy. It is simple as that. People make it a lot difficult. It is simple as that. Just create a strategy, follow the strategy, try to like master risk management, psychology, and patience. These three things are all you need. You don't need like multiple fair value gaps, order block, sessions, and all. You don't need anything. Normal, simple price action, one strategy, like finish. People overcomplicate their stuff, then they spend thousands of dollars on courses, mentorship, signals, and they end up asking why are they unprofitable traders. So yes, try to whatever the crowd is doing, try to do something different from that. So this is the trade. I'll show you in 15 minutes. So this trade will only be valid after the market closes here. So after the market closes here, I'm looking for the engulfing candle I'll place my stop loss over here, and I'll be targeting at least 1 is to 2. GU trade, what happens is, if anyone of you try to take the GU trade after these points get broken, as you can see this point, I'll mark it for you. So this is the previous low. So if you are holding, so two things can happen. Like the market is going to come down here, that is guaranteed. If it is a bearish market, then it is guaranteed that the market will come down here. Okay, it is guaranteed. Like I can give you a guarantee that this is a sure short trade. If the market starts going above the EMA, then this trade is not valid. But if this trade continues, then it will come down to here. Now there is two things you can do. First thing is, if you have a lot of guts, you can close out this position. That's what I'll do. I'll just close out this position. But what you can do is, after once the market is roaming around in this position, you put your stop loss to break even and you close at least 50 to 60% of your position. So if you're trading with, let's 0.50 lot, go close like 0.40 lots, like leave 0.10 lots to play. Like if these points break, there is two things can happen. Either I'll show you, either the market will return from here because this was the previous support, as you can see, or if the market continues from here, it will fall a lot. So the amount of money you have made on 0.50 lot in this position, you will make the same amount of money in 0.10 lot. So you need to hold that trade for 3-4 days. So yes, this will be the 3 pairs that I would like you to be trading this week. There are more pairs which I will like analyze 1 or 2 hours from now. But if there is no proper market structure, I will not take a trade there. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you like it, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe. And if you have any problem regarding anything, so just leave a message in my Instagram. The link is given below. And so if you want, and last thing is, if you want a video on my exact strategy, I can bring that. But if many people don't want that, then it's no use. Then 2-3 people are saying that how I journal my trades and not to bring a video on that. Whatever video you want, if you leave a comment on that, I will try to bring a video in within a week. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Take care and make sure to use this. And you can use this also to calculate lot size. I will make a shorts video on how to calculate a lot size, but I'll just show you in this video. So let's say you are trading GBPUSD. So let's say this is your trade. So what you have to do is, see the stop size, you can see 247. Now take only the first two letters, 24. So now come here, write GBPUSD, GBPUSD. What is GBPUSD? Now mention your platform account size. So let's say I will be trading a $10,000 account. So I will write 10,000. Then I will risk, let's say I will risk 1%, or you can swap with money also. Like let's say I risk 2%, let's say. So 2% means $200. So 2%. Now you write the stop loss pips, this one. 24, you can write the stop loss pips, or you can calculate here also. As you can see, you can just take from here. Let's go to 24 pips. So you write 24 pips. Then you don't need to change this trade size lot. So just calculate. So you need to place a trade of $0.83 from here. Okay, this will be the exact value. I have shown you how to create this. Then there are more useful websites and all that, which I will bring in the next further videos. So thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.